another new update, Pattern Maker. Let's come back to Canva, and now we can select any size. For example, I'm choosing social media and create blank. Now let's go to the left side menu and click Apps. We can enter Pattern Maker into the search field, and we will choose this one, Pattern Maker. Click on it and click Open. Now we need to choose file. Let's go to png.aaa.com and let's search for flower picture. Now I'm choosing this one picture and I'm clicking Free Downloads. We will see that we need to wait 10 seconds. And now let's come back to our Canva. Click Choose File. We see that maximum file size is 3 megabytes. Click Choose File. And now we can select our picture and click Open. And here you go. It's great, yes? We can adjust rows. We can adjust columns. And when it suits us, we can click Add to Design. It's great. And if you want to learn more about Canva Magic possibilities, I prepare a very interesting course, Canva AI Canva Magic Tools. This course is prepared for both Pro Canva users and free Canva users, as we will learn how to achieve every pro magical capability with the free version of Canva and how we can use this in practice. Now, price is only 11 euros. So you can enroll today and you will learn many tips and tricks. And I hope these tutorials will inspire you. So I invite you to this course and hope to see you soon.